Hello girls and guys, Boris Gelfand, real estate broker in the state of Florida, New York. Guys, I would like to show you something interesting which is touched my attention. So guys, this is 2-bedroom in community 55. 55 and over, it means you have to be 55 to live here, so to purchase or to be tenant. So it's 55 community, which is very nice, quiet. It's Boynton Beach. So let me show you how it looks inside, so you're gonna make decision if you like it. Again, price is $130,000 US, maintenance $450, property tax gonna be around $150, and basically this is the best place, you know, to between $130,000 to $150,000. It's best option to invest if you're already 55 and you want to enjoy your life. Again, a lot of golf clubs around, a lot of lakes. Is Boynton Beach. So let me show you how it looks inside. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, now we're gonna go forward. So we outside. This is how it looks from outside. This is a very nice and quiet neighborhood. We're on the second floor. It's corner apartment, so nobody gonna bother you. This is if you want to get rid of all noises. It's very nice and quiet and clean community. So let's go inside. Like you see, dining table, large size living room. On the right side you have kitchen with dining table. So everything in really nice condition. So basically you don't need to invest or replace anything, but if you want, it's always your choice. Again, let's go forward. So basically this is a living room, and you have some nice patio which has screens, and you can open and see it like screen balcony. Very nice, and like you see view, it's garden view, quiet. It is 55 and over community, so nobody gonna disturb you, make noise. And I know some people like it because of restriction. It's not a lot of renters, everybody respect each other. So this is 55. Again, for investment it's good too, but you need to find tenant who's gonna be 55 and over. So full bathroom, and again it's 2-bedroom, 2 full bathrooms and split at level. So basically second bedroom, like you see, this is living room on our left side of the apartment, and with a separate shower. So it's like 2 master bedroom suites. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to call me and ask and sign for our channel. My phone number is +1 646 431 8072. My name is Boris Gelfand. I'm licensed real estate agent in state of Florida and New York. I will be glad to share all my thoughts. See you guys. Thank you.